Okay, guys, we are back again. We're back again. So I have to start everything. So let's see how this thing is going to be like. Okay, so live, we are live, we are live. So now, let me start. Let me start presenting my screen. Hello, hello. You type hi for me. Okay, so you want to go live and welcome everyone on board. We are about to start the live session. So now, without wasting much time, let's dive into the next tutorial. Okay, let me reduce the sound so that everybody can hear. Okay. So now this tutorial is going to be simple and clear. Today's tutorial is going to be clear, simple, with better understanding. Okay, so we have a series of tasks to perform, and the main one that most of us are wondering about is the Git hub reaching a repo. Today, I want to explain it in simplest and using graphical user interface and command line interface. Okay. So first of all, you have to create a repo. This is how you create a repo. Okay. So you come to your profile. Okay. So you come to your profile. When you come to your profile, there are a series of options. You can just choose the new repo and stuff. And also we have our sandbox here, but today we will not be using the sandbox. We'll be using mostly, I'll be using get an understanding of how this ALS gets commands really work. Okay, so first of all, as individual, we have to know this series of get commands that will around have add dot I have found the URL then that's one is it found it push. So now let me use some examples to explain these things. So first of all, you go into your GitHub. This is the first text steps is you have to go to your GitHub, create a repo. So when you head onto your Git, this is how you create a new repo. Okay, so when you create the repo, click on this, and some people will say, oh, they gave me some ID is missing. No, don't worry, the ID you can get it anywhere. Even the URL contains the ID, the link that they provided. Okay, so let's name it live ALS. We don't have to put any name. Come here, Facebook. Okay, when Facebook, they are a series of commands that we are supposed to do. Okay, so now how will you see this interface to explain how everything works? Okay, so that's some of the doubts about this stuff. So in here, when you want to create a new repo locally, maybe on your machine, okay, this is how you clone it and to come here. Okay, and you can see git run, git commit, everything is inside of it. So now when you are done, you add it. Okay, and this one is when you want to push it. You use the commands. Okay, so maybe if you have done a project like a project on a desktop and you want to push it, okay, it is where command, the basic command that you have to use. You have to first know the URL where you are pushing the files to. Today, right here. Okay, then git push, meaning you are sending the file to GitHub. Okay, so now let me write this. Okay, so let me first of all, maybe if you've forgotten or lost URL or URL is still here, so let me copy these things. That's it. Why not? So now we're telling us what get the repo, we've already done it. The next one is give a description, we've done it. Make the repo public, we've done it. And the next one is what? Using the graphical user interface on the Git website, create this. We've done it. This is what we just did. And now this is our first task. The topic is saying we should clone what? The repository. Which repository are they talking about? This one. Okay, so let me use my graphical user interface to explain to you. This one, we are talking about this repo. This repo we just created. This repo. Okay, this repo is what we are talking about. Then they said what? When you are done clone it. Okay, cloning means you are doing a duplicate of this on your local machine. The sandbox is a because you are using internet, people think the sandbox is not a computer. It's a computer. It's a computer, but it's a large screen computer. That is what people say. But today we'll be doing it live. Every code will be doing it live here. Okay. So now let's move on. So the next one is we have to clone. So now, as you can see, this is my graphical user interface, and this one, let's take it that this one is the sandbox. Okay, this one is the sandbox. So now let's start. So let me delete, let me move this. So let me move the car around. Let me edit this sandbox. Okay, this is my sandbox. So let me start by git clone. I want to make this thing from the record that we created. This is the record that we just created. This is it. I want to bring it to my machine. Okay, then you perform the series of actions. Okay? So it's and the URL that I just copied. The URL I just copied from here. This URL, or you can use this one. So that is fine. You can see it's the same. Okay, so I press enter. The moment I press enter, let's watch here. The moment I press enter, it's supposed to come. The file supposed to be here. Okay, the file supposed to be here. So now, let me go here. See. So now you can see this is the file. Okay. I don't want it here simply because I did navigation. My PWD was here. So let me try with git clone and the URL and the name. Okay. So the moment I press enter, you can see the GitHub file here. Enter. So it's trying to tell me I can. So let me edit it. Come to this field. So I will see arrow, this arrow, or this one. Okay, so when I press enter, you can see the file is here. I have the GitHub file right here. So now let me see the name to this file. There is nothing inside, so I do see the next. I've realized that, so let me see the I've so in our graphical design interface, if many want to get a folder, the first task was trying to tell her after creating this, we have to check. Okay, so after checking, we are supposed to create a folder. Okay, so let's say in our graphical design interface, we create a folder for JI. Create a folder for J. But I want to create a folder and call it command line interface. Why am I doing this? I want to get two files. Okay, so I'll make mk I CLI. So you can see that I have the files here. I have the folder here. And let's say inside this one, I will create some files if I will attach one. Okay. See that we have a file here. So let me move reference to the CLI. You have to make sure you understand what's the command type. So mv and and see and bring the documents this another coordinates. And see the power is now. I want to send this file, this particular file to GitHub. How do I do it? Before that, let's go to the GitHub. You can check there's nothing. Okay. They are trying to tell you that the folder or the directory that you created, push it to what the GitHub for us, okay? So that we can have a look at it. So now I use the command git. I want to push it, so I have to what git add. I have created two folders. It came when I started, the folder came empty, but now I created a folder. I've also created some stuff. Okay. Now I have to make sure the directory live ELX, okay? So add. I want to add all the files here. I want to add everything here. I want to add everything here. Okay. So the moment I send it, you see all the files here. Okay, so let me switch it to 5. Then hit add. When you see this, it doesn't mean it's the next command. Okay, so we are doing it. So want to commit every changes, everything that's done wrong or you've done, then you will send all these files to the GitHub. So now it's effective error. And what is this effective? They are saying what 3 files change. 3 files change. You can see this one gets CLI, this one, this file is 1, this file is 2, and this one is 3. Okay. So now let's talk about folder and stuff. So now let's move on. So we've done the first one, done the second one. This is what the commit. So now the last one is what git push. So git push. I type git push and I press enter. Take note of something. You can see that I used to go the main branch and what I did 5 items. Total of 5. Everything went to the size of the file is this. let's see. Now, yeah, let's go to the data. Let's see the file we just created. Maybe it's live, it's not, or maybe it's not. Whoa! So you can see that we just pushed some files. So we did local pushing. This is the commit. So maybe when you see a message telling you that local you can see that this is when this is when the branch that we made. You can see. So here we have been able to push the file locally. Able to push the file is a name, something movement to master. Yeah, all these things. So now let me add another file. Let me say, let me here, let me add day. It's I press enter, I refresh. Let me check if it's in the data. You notice that when I refreshed it, nothing came because I haven't done another push. Okay, so ideally, anything that you create, you want to push. Okay, anything that you create, you must push. Okay, you must push. So now, let me come here. Let me come here. So let me create another one. Yes. So now I want to push everything. Then efforts. So testing. So now then it's so we can only do one folder. So when I do git add, I do this. This is the parent directory. So I can become that particular thing that I want to get. So it's up for here. We did the push here. Nothing here. So now let me pull the file that we have. Maybe let's say I have written it so that another push that either I pull or I clone. So let's try. This particular folder. So let me try to clone it. Let me try to clone my gate. So it's clone the name. I'll come here. Okay. You can see that the file on the GitHub page is on our desktop. Okay. It is on our desktop. So now let's see how the next one goes. Okay. So now it's trying to tell us that this question said you push your files first and asks what ALS school projects. Okay. Now you can now check the repository to see if everything. So what this thing is trying to tell us is after we push, we check if everything is cool. Okay. So now let me go to my intranet. See next question. So what the next question is trying to tell us that we have to create some files. This file is the readme file. Okay. We have to create this readme file of this one. Yes, but before that, let me do this one. Before that, let me do this. Okay. So now it's trying to tell us we should create this particular folder. Okay, in this. So I love using the graphical user interface. So we should create a file. So let's say this is the file. Okay. Select it. So let's say the name of the file that is said we should create this one is the ALS inside the live. Okay. So now it's inside of the another book. Okay, so the another book is this one. Then the next, the one that is said we should create is this. Okay, so now instead what we should create a readme file. Okay, they say we should create a readme file. So now let me do the touch. Before we created this file. So press enter and see it. Yeah, let's next one we have to check. So the next one is trying to tell us in this particular folder, okay, in this particular folder, it give us something that we should do. It said for the moment we have an empty this file, the file we just created. To see if this file is empty, let me use the graphical design interface to check. You can see it has 0 bytes. Okay, so let's take note of something. Let me add something. Once I press enter, you can see this whole sentence has occupied just 4 kilobytes. Okay, so now we've accomplished this one. It will ask us to type something initially empty. So now we have to create all these folders and files. The first one is we creating this folders inside the Git 01. Okay, but before that, this is my Git 01. So we have created folders mk ir space yes gs c and bash gs So these are the files that they are expecting us to create. And before that, let me create one of the files. Now, the next task is telling us that we should create these files. When you see, and the moment you see this, so let me do pwd. Okay. So you can see that this is the last place that I am. Okay, you can see it here. You can see it there. You can see it. This is it. So they are trying to tell us that we should create some files with this extension. So you can just copy this, and before that I have to use ls. Okay, so I will use what the touch. understand the bash and your get basics, doing all these things is easy. Okay, so let me do another one. They said we should put inside our bash this bash folder. Okay, we should create this file and insert this thing inside. This one is giving us the echo. Okay, so let me copy this. How did I know it's a file? So they said what? Create a file. It's not a directory that you're talking about. Okay, so let me do this. It's it. The next one is what? School. The same thing. Okay. This is kind of lazy creating of file. And that one is the bash. So let's see what will happen in the bash folder. So now let's search. Okay. Why does such I added on Apache? See the files we can. So you can see everything. But with the classroom, you can't see it with your eyes. So it's kind of boring. It's kind of boring. The classroom is very boring. So I have to send this course, but maybe I would skip. It's the same echo, use the echo, and then add this to my okay, because then now let me try to push it to my GitHub. You can see that let's go to the GitHub and check if we have these files that are this. So these are the files that we have. So let me do what? Git add but been added, and the next one is what? Git commit m. In this place, a message. It gives us a message to push. But if you have any question, you can send it to me in the chat section, and I'll get everything for you. Okay. So now let me continue. So you can see there's nothing here. Let me push the files, and before that they gave us a message that we should do something. We should give a comment of this. School is cool. What's starting to code today is cool. Okay, so let me see if I can type it's not cool. I'm getting experience. I press enter. You can see files, 7 files changes. Okay. So now you can see this. You can see those files. Okay. So now the next one is what you have to push it. Now it's about to what my GitHub. So you can see that this was the file I copied initially. This is the same file. Let's push it. When you see this message, whatever you do, wow. So now you can see there's nothing in the big. Okay? Boom. You can now see the files that I created on my GitHub page. So you can see Bashi, have Bashi here. vowels here. Vowels here. There's the vowels. Okay. So now, this is how we solve this solution. So now, tomorrow we will tackle this side. This side is a bit scary, but not that scary. What we are supposed to do is create a branch. So this is a branch. So this is a branch. And here, up. So this is the main branch. Create the branch. It's added here. Let's see that branch here. So let's see another branch here. Yeah. Let's see how I so let me check if you have any question. If you have any question, then I will try and answer questions for the session. And if you don't have any questions, I'm sure people are here to ask questions. So don't forget you can hit me on my social media handles, and I will like some of your guys below. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope it makes good sense, and bye bye.